Hey, it's Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan nacho cheese. So you know those jars of nacho cheese you can buy at the store? They're kind of plasticky. There might be some melted Barbie dolls in there. We're not sure what is in there. So we wanted to make a fully homemade real food version of nacho cheese. Also, it's vegan, so you can serve it to people of any diet. And it's the perfect consistency for nachos and it tastes great. So I'll show you how to do it. So the main ingredient we're using here is not cheese, it's not melted plastic, it is cashews. These cashews are soaked for at least 30 minutes, more if you have time. You can even soak them overnight and then you drain them, mix them up with a bunch of spices and you're good to go. It takes maybe 3 minutes tops. We're ready to blend the sauce. We're using a high-speed blender. You can also use a regular blender. It may require a bit more stopping and starting to get the sauce smooth. Okay, the soaked cashews are going in. And chopped green chilies. Now these are mild, but they do bring in a little bit of back-end heat. Next, we have our spices. These are equal parts onion, garlic, and chili powder, and some cumin. We've also included our kosher salt right in here. And what's nacho cheese without that bright yellow color? We have both yellow mustard and turmeric that we're using here to bring in that bright color. Then we'll add water to make it creamy and easily blendable. It's just that simple. Blend up those ingredients and you have a creamy, delicious homemade nacho cheese sauce for all your dipping needs. For this full vegan nacho cheese recipe, head to acouplecooks.com. We also made some loaded vegan nachos using this cheese. They're so good. Make sure to check out that video as well.